Welcome to Audio Books feature by Cloud Expert. Today we'll be talking about Azure Sentinel. Let's understand what is Azure Sentinel. Microsoft Azure Sentinel is a scalable, cloud-native, security information event management (SIEM) and security orchestration automated response (SOAR) solution. Azure Sentinel delivers intelligent security analytics and threat intelligence across the enterprise, providing a single solution for alert detection, threat visibility, proactive hunting, and threat response. Azure Sentinel is your bird's-eye view across the enterprise, alleviating the stress of increasingly sophisticated attacks, increasing volumes of alerts, and long resolution timeframes. Collect data at cloud scale across all users, devices, applications, and infrastructure, both on-premises and in multiple clouds. Detect previously undetected threats, and minimize false positives using Microsoft's analytics and unparalleled threat intelligence. Investigate threats with artificial intelligence, and hunt for suspicious activities at scale, tapping into years of cybersecurity work at Microsoft. Respond to incidents rapidly with built-in orchestration and automation of common tasks. Let's understand how to connect to all your data. To onboard Azure Sentinel, you first need to connect to your security sources. Azure Sentinel comes with a number of connectors for Microsoft solutions, available out of the box and providing real-time integration, including Microsoft Threat Protection Solutions, and Microsoft 365 sources, including Office 365, Azure AD, Azure ATP, and Microsoft Cloud App Security, and more. In addition, there are built-in connectors to the broader security ecosystem for non-Microsoft solutions. You can also use Common Event Format, syslog or REST API to connect your data sources with Azure Sentinel as well. Let's understand how security automation and orchestration works in Azure Sentinel. We can automate your common tasks and simplify security orchestration with playbooks that integrate with Azure services as well as your existing tools. Built on the foundation of Azure Logic Apps, Azure Sentinel's automation and orchestration solution provides a highly extensible architecture that enables scalable automation as new technologies and threats emerge. To build playbooks with Azure Logic Apps, you can choose from a growing gallery of built-in playbooks. These include 200+ connectors for services such as Azure Functions. The connectors allow you to apply any custom logic in code, ServiceNow, Jira, Zendesk, HTTP requests, Microsoft Teams, Slack, Windows Defender ATP, and Cloud App Security. Let's understand how to investigation potential security threat. Azure Sentinel Deep Investigation tools help you to understand the scope and find the root cause of a potential security threat. You can choose an entity on the interactive graph to ask interesting questions for a specific entity, and drill down into that entity and its connections to get to the root cause of the threat. Let's understand how to do threat hunting using Azure Sentinel. Use Azure Sentinel's powerful hunting search and query tools, based on the MITRE framework, which enable you to proactively hunt for security threats across your organization's data sources, before an alert is triggered. After you discover which hunting query provides high-value insights into possible attacks, you can also create custom detection rules based on your query, and surface those insights as alerts to your security incident responders. While hunting, you can create bookmarks for interesting events, enabling you to return to them later, share them with others, and group them with other correlating events to create a compelling incident for investigation. Great! Now you've learned about Azure Sentinel. Hope you enjoyed it. For more audiobooks, please subscribe to our monthly plan in Cloud Expert category. Hey, don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.